Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mrs. O'Keefe. If you are trying to log in, then please make sure that you go ahead and read what I have here. Hi, everyone. There will be no Google Meet with me today. I am absent, not going to be in school. So my homeroom, obviously, you do not need to worry about joining a Google Meet. You will go to Mrs. Grimm's classroom after you have lunch. Mrs. Grimm's homeroom, you should be joining, just going to specials when you're supposed to go to specials, but you do not need to join my meet. Obviously, you still need to go to Mrs. Grimm's homeroom. Please watch the video that you're now listening to. It will be down here, to find out what you should be working on today. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I will see you guys all on Monday. With that being said, now we're going to go ahead and we are going to say the pledge. So, my ladies and gentlemen, even if you are in Mrs. Grimm's homeroom, nothing wrong with going ahead and standing up. Right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks, guys. You can go ahead and you can be seated. And we are going to head back now to Google Stream. And I want to go back to the question of the day from yesterday. When Lisa was 6 years old, her sister Lucy was half her age. If Lisa is 40 years old today, how old is Lucy? So to answer that question, I know that some of you did get it correct. We'll go ahead and we'll watch the video. And here comes the answer coming up if you were doing the math. Lucy is 37 years old. When Lisa was 6, Lucy was 3. Lisa is 3 years older. So if Lisa's 40, Lucy would be 37. Again, because Lisa is 3 years older. Alrighty, so there was your answer. And like I said, many of you had gotten that answer correct. So very nice job. That one you did need to do a little math there to think about it. But like I said, you guys did a really nice job with that. So way to go. All right, so moving on, what are we doing today? So today is Friday, January 8th. This is what you guys will be working on. Everybody, you're going to first, like we always do, go ahead and log into Extra Math. I said put it in there for 10 minutes. You could set a timer, look at the clock, whatever. If you're not done with the topic that you're on, finish that up. I mean, if it goes into 12 minutes, 13 minutes, and so on and so forth. Solve and Share 510. You're going to watch the video for the visual learning for 510. Complete the Practice Buddy for 510 first. Then complete 510 Quick Check. I know that this is backwards from how we normally complete our assignments, so I hope you guys are actually watching this first. I want you to do the Practice Buddy first, and then you'll go ahead and do the Quick Check. After that, please make sure pages 203 and 204, which we were working on yesterday, and your workbooks are completed. That was Student Edition 5.9. We'll go over it on Monday. I know that I was originally saying that we would go over it today, but since I'm not here, I'm going to wait to go over those 2 pages. So if you did not finish workbook pages 203, 204, or if you don't have a workbook and you need to work on Student Edition Practice, that's Student Edition Practice 5.9. If you have any other time remaining with your time with me, you can go to ST Math, even if you've already done your ST Math that you needed to do for the week. And please remember, Boom and IXL are excellent resources for you to review. You know that next week, either Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll talk to you guys more about it on Monday. We will be taking our Topic 5 tests. So just keep that in mind. All right, so moving on, first and foremost is going to be the quick check. The solve and share. So here is your question. Alan set a goal to do at least 120 minutes of outdoor activities a day, Monday through Friday. He made a list of each activity and the amount of time he spends doing it every week. The same amount of time is spent every day doing the activities. Is Alan spending enough time each day on outdoor activities to meet his goal? What math can you use to solve this problem? So there we have some data. Those, just so you're looking at it, they are all outdoor activities. So soccer, 200 minutes in a week. Bicycling, 150 minutes. Walking, 300 minutes, and running, 75 minutes. So before anybody says, well, I don't know which ones are outdoor activities, I'm telling you that they're all outdoor activities. Can you run in your house? I guess. Could you walk in your house? I guess you could do all of these things in your house, but these are outdoor activities. So I want you guys to work on this. Those of you that obviously have your workbooks, do it in your workbook. This is 510. Those of you that need to do it online, you can go ahead and do it online. Now, I'm not going to give you the answer in this video. I will post the video later. If you would please go back and check your answer to your solve and share and see how you did. But I'm going to give you some time to obviously work on that. I will post that, like I said, later in the day. You can go back and check on it. After you watch the solve and share, you guys are going to go to the visual learning. I'm just going to start it. I'm not going to play the whole video for you. You can do that yourself.
How can you apply math you know to solve problems? Let's find out. A class is making decorations using same-size straws. They use the straws to make triangles, squares, pentagons, and hexagons. One package of straws is used for each group of polygons with the same number of sides. How many decorations can the class make?
Okay, so once again, that is going to be something that you are going to watch by yourself. If you would like to watch the video before you do the solve and share, I know we don't normally do it like that, but we also will sometimes spend time talking about the solve and share first. So if you'd like to watch the video first and then do the solve and share, by all means, go ahead and do it that way. But you are going to watch the video. After that, you are going to work on the 510 practice buddy. Again, I know we normally do this the other way around, but I want you to do this one first because, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have the practice help. You'll see it's only 2 questions, okay? You have to read the questions. You have to solve for the missing pieces. Remember, you can check your answer. And again, the reason I want you to do it first is you can view another example. And this will help you to solve these problems. So you're going to do the practice buddy first. After you do the practice buddy, you are going to go ahead and you're going to work on the quick check. Now, the quick check we know is always 5 questions. There's always going to be multiple choice here. So this is what I'm going to be looking for after you do your solve and share, after you watch the video, after you do your practice buddy. The quick check will be the last thing that you do for me today, okay? For this lesson anyway. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. I am not really going to be around, so I won't be able to answer too many questions. I think I was pretty clear and specific in this. So, do your best work, and I will see you guys all on Monday. Have a great weekend.